So we just put some of the finest of bulk oil of 020, 5.6 quarts, and now we're up to the engine air filter. We got one clip here, another clip right there. Exposes the filter. Let's put this down. Filter out. Always look in the box for debris. Giggity. New filter in. You're going to want to put the pegs in the hole. There's 2 pegs, 2 holes. It's another giggity. Make sure everything's lined up, and then just snap that into place. And then snap that into place. Very good. Now for our cabin air filter. Ooh, he got the mag light ready to go. Oh, it's not a mag light, but it's a mag-like light. I'll take all this out of here. Put it off to the side. Glass case, put that to the side. Now, slide up and remove. Alright, simple enough. There we go. Gain access to the cabin air filter door. Little tab right here, just push it. Little tab right there, put it in. Boom! We got some minor debris, nothing too serious. Let's grab that one so it don't drop in. Very good. Do we have any FIFO activity? Oh yeah, we do. Minor, very minor. I didn't notice anything in the engine bay. So let's get our filter out of our box. Alright guys, this side facing up. Goes in there like so. This guy. Snap. Snap. Very good. Cover. Start at the top and snap it down. Very good.